Are you trying to sell services to local businesses, but you're not sure what to sell and where to start? Are you an experienced consultant who wants to expand business and get more satisfied clients? Hi, I'm Don, and I'm going to share with you the simple secret of how, today, you can build a highly profitable website agency without having to know anything about web design. Stay here for the next 2 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how it's possible and how I can help you get high-paying clients fast. When it comes to local marketing, choosing the right clients and the right services to sell can result in a much higher chance of success. And one of my ideal markets is restaurant. Did you know that 90% of restaurants don't have a good website? Right now, in 2020, around 600,000 restaurants in the U.S. don't even have a website. In this exponentially growing online world, not having a website is like leaving 80% of monthly revenue to the competitors. This leaves a huge opportunity for smart marketers, and I'm here to make it possible for you. Let me introduce you to my latest product, Web Agency Fortune Restaurant Edition. Web Agency Fortune Restaurant is a done-for-you web agency system that helps anyone create beautiful, functional restaurant websites quickly. Inside the package, you'll get 6 restaurant websites with ready-to-use content and unlimited usage rights, plus an agency website and a prospecting video that make you a professional web designer instantly. Within a few steps, you'll be able to set up an agency and start finding clients right away. And once you sell a website to a business, you'll have a great chance to offer other marketing services to them. In a limited time, you can get a copy of Web Agency Fortune Restaurant for a fraction of the cost to create any of its components. So scroll down this page, see the exact demos, hit the buy button, and start your web design business today.
Are you a business owner looking to upgrade your website? Is your business losing potential customers because your website is old and outdated? Having a website isn't just about selling and promoting. It's also about providing value to your customers and building the credibility of your business. If you don't have a website or you're using a 10-year-old design, you are losing business. You need professional website development services, and that's where we come in. With a team of highly experienced marketers and designers, we pride ourselves on creating beautiful, professional websites that actually help growing businesses. From coding and design to content building, integration, tracking, and managing, we will take care of everything so that you can truly focus on your business. So if you're ready to have a website that acts as your 24/7 virtual sales representative, contact us today to see how great a website can help grow your business.